Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. If it's the first time watching, yeah, man, do subscribe, man, and share it. You know what I mean? Leave a comment. You know what I mean? We're up on the verge. We are trying to go 100K before December. We know it's possible. We have a new game plan. You know, I do the best I can do in editing, but we soon get our editor. So we can produce more movie faster, because when it comes to shooting, I shoot a lot of movie.
I really the girl from around at the lane around there say you have left me for. Me?
I'm not left nobody, you know. I'm not leaving you because of her. I just, the things that I want, you just not do. Right? Things you done, you just not do them things there. And time ago. You know what I mean? I want a divorce. Right? I want a divorce real because, you know, why sense me go live in a relationship with me and happy? We married, so we'll be happy ever after. Me the man never to drink rum and smoke cigarette and you put me to that. Because of all of your accusation, you know what I mean? So, the thing a full time now. You see your mother face with me there. Your mother facing me on the phone, say, and that tree in have you. So you can come back here. And she said, you can't come back, so go back home. To your moon.
Listen, this not have nothing to do with mommy. I see a girl, where they left me for? Sorry for tell her, but she can't breathe. And you always say you want more picnic, so wow.
Well, I have Naya already. So Naya delay. We not get no more picnic. If she can't read us out.
I can't believe sir that you left me for.
And if that me I'll find out. But the things what you do.
What me do?
And what you don't do.
Sorry.
There's no sparks in the relationship anymore.
But we can at least try. We can try again.
Alright. How much time we are try and you still not succeed? We are try and no, it make no sense. So now it's time for us to really call it a day. I want to like it, you understand the assignment because I don't want to put you out, you know. You understand? I'm not. So, alright, where do the baby now? The baby go stay in our room?
I can't be picnic with me, I don't live far.
After you pick me alone? Eh? So that you tell me after you pick me alone?
Are you go to the hospital go push her out?
No,
Eh?
but I may put her in there. In this room, I think it's easy. Eh? In this room, the same room, down to the neighbor. Know my name, well, me put in the word. So, what you tell me, son, am I picnic?
Well, you have to go suffer consequences. Me I carry my picnic with me. Me not left me girl picnic with you.
I tell you, you know. Say your name for shift, you know. Me tell you, say your name for shift if you live on the side of your wall and boy picnic that come out and boy that there. But anyway, you're good. So, but anyway, me know say the picnic will come. Come check me. Right? As soon as me have a woman here, we can look after her. Because I know say I say my girl around so, but still you don't know who me I talk to. But I know that's the problem. I just me and you not get along. I don't want to live in a sadness because I know picnic sake, because of your sake, nobody's sake. One life you live, I want to enjoy my life. And you just miserable for him ever since. And I think you have a man too. So you can't be do your big card. Them attitude you give me. And then the food you used to cook good, now you start burn up food, you start salt the pot. You do all sorts of. You start salt the pot. You start give me running and belly, we can't eat from you again because we don't know what you're trying with me. You know. So since we just up, we just make a better part that we have. So you know it already, you sign prenup, so you can take up the things that you come with. And you never come with much. But the things that we buy you, anything I feel you can take them. Some little things, you know what? Come on. So this is money here. I don't want me to go find the code for picking maintenance. So my engines on my jaw and I go package you up. Yeah, it look a bit thin, but it means something. You take a time, go down in the ghetto and you stretch it. I don't want your mother get a ice mint out of it. For which she's listening. Some places send me or some places, you see? Some what your mother tell me. I never hear them word in my life yet, but me allow her for time. Me not say no because myself go down they go in an argument with the mother, you know. Because I respect that lady because she hold on me. But I should have tell her about them. I should have tell her about every word your mother tell me about me night.
I hear one.
And me have a camera, because I know so when woman a left man and then see them Chris car, they will jaw keep on it. Who don't ever jaw keep on it, straight in a jailhouse, me I say, you know. So when you go down here pass the car, you walk 1 mile.
You done time now for that?
Yeah, later.
Alright. Me love you everything, say me, you know. But me not gonna take you disrespect from you. And they talk about my mother. You understand? Me no business where you and my mother in. I go home back. Right? I better be comfortable in a little one room down there than take your bullshit from the gear and the girl around this stuff.
And don't take my money spent for no man in the ghetto, you know. Not even a box up, not even a beer or a cigarette. I want you to buy no man all the time my money where you pick me.
You know what I said?
But now you're there.
You're going to regret it, yeah?
Naya!
Yes.
Naya!
Yes.
Come here. Come here to me. Your mother and I have a disagreement, right? So you won't be seeing daddy for a while. What you want to still do? You want to stay mommy or daddy? Choose who you want to choose. Me over here, so. You choose who you want to choose. Who you want to hand with. Daddy have money, mommy have miserableness. I'm going to go bust your ass.
What you done tell the people say? Now come on, now.
Who you want to stay with?
Fire, the child doesn't have a choice.
Why would the mother? No, you have a choice. But why would the mother do? Daddy
You're going to regret this.
Daddy knows you here.
Go on.
No, listen, no. Anytime your mother tell you nothing about your poopa, can't take ears. Can't take ears if your mother tell you bad about me.
What me I go do now?
Under that. Mash up it, man. Mash up it. 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 Mash up it, man. Mash up it. Mash up it.
Don't worry yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man. Fling it night and mash up it. Don't get jealous of some night long for you. Over a man farm, I send you. They have links down there, you know. Fling it night. Destruction of property. All if you're my baby mother, may I tell you, say, me I press charges for you. Nobody.
He's a wicked man, remember me tell you. Come on.
My daughter, cock your ears, yeah? I never want you to see this, yeah. Just another day job. Just another day job. Trying to keep myself out of danger. From poverty, I'm trying to be a stranger. They're trying to pull me down, Jah. They're trying to pull me under. Like a ship with an anchor. Oh, Jah. Them want to do me like how them do the ganja. No, Jah. No, Jah. No make them have no dominion. Don't let them have no dominion. Over us, over us, over us. This over the backside this year, go on. What go on, baby? Yes, my sugar plum. What am I going to do about that if you're lonely? Yes, but you say, yeah, I'm there work on it. It does not, I don't know. I know it's all my, and I'm at the fault. Alright, well, sir, just nobody be miserable now. Alright, I'm going to go for my daughter then. Bring her when she can spend some time with her then. Alright? Alright. I'll call her mama and hear what she said. I love you too. Sweetie pie. Oh, you answer your phone, so.
What's your problem?
Yeah, what me say now? You know, some miss my daughter, but I want to spend some time with her. I come pick her up. Oh, where they?
But they are me yard.
I come pick her up. You want nothing on the road?
I don't want nothing from you.
I went since you don't like sweets. Remember say you like the sweets, them you know the treats. The sweets with the treats. You so love them. So I don't know why changes.
Where you come from for do? We not tell us say.
Remember so the quotes say, you know, I can see my daughter when I want. And today is not a school day. So I'm coming for her. Alright? So we don't need to know the tussle and tussle. If you refuse to give me her, we'll go back a quota that the judge said. So as long as I get my 2 day, you're good with 4 or 5. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, so I'm not forward. I wish you waited longer. Because still spend some more time with my daughter.
You never want to spend no time. You didn't live with her and you put me out with her.
No, I'm not talking to you, you know. Not with you though. Not with you. But anyway, I come for her. Can't get the smoke without fire. You gotta take it for. And I have to write them songs, you know. Can't make them waste, you know. Can't make them waste. Remember a thief, I would buy a cash pot and now I would buy a thief. The thief in his mother. What going, girl? What going?
Hi, Daddy.
You alright?
Yep. And I'll try to make sure so you and your woman take good care of her now.
She alright, man. You tired, girl?
Bye, Mommy. No,
What's your finger?
yet.
Bye.
Bye.
Put your chest. Alright, you can't step away from the vehicle now, please.
Bye.
So, I can run me, so.
I'm not running over now, you don't want to run over your foot.
Later, baby.
Bye.
Later. Just your mother.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, baby.
Daddy.
Hear me say now. Me know say your mama tell us some things about me now. Everything she say a lie. You know if you spell lie? Spell lie.
Wait, Mommy said you have a woman.
Yes, I have a fiance. She's your stepmom. She's a stepmom.
And she said she ugly. She can't cook, she can't clean, she can't do nothing. Well,
So you believe your mama?
I don't know.
Well, that's not really important. You have to come off here just to have to cook for yourself. And she can't pretty for you. I'm so glad your mama was the prettiest woman ever lived. Because she a Miss World. She enter in a Miss World, you know. You know? Your mother. She come dead last. Yeah man, she went in it. Right up her front tight, and me I tell you, you never walk out. So she cannot say people ugly. If she feel like. Me not say nothing about nobody if they're ugly or this or that.
Oh, what was stepmother name?
Well, your stepmother name Miracle.
Not her real name.
Yeah, that's her real name. Because she was born in a one time, so your stepmother is a miracle. Your mama is not a miracle.
Don't say that.
No, I tell you.
Because in the first place, if she is not a miracle, why did you
Get you?
Yeah.
Are you the miracle? You is the miracle out of every badness and madness your mother going through. Are you the better one out of
Okay,
it?
enough to go like this.
Oh? No,
Your
but
finger kiss me on my face.
something to you. The law say I cannot beat you. But them want beat me. Police want lick me, but me can't lick you.
Yeah,
Madam,
you can't lick me.
Hello, I don't know if your mother teach you fooling this.
You
I
can't lick me.
bust your ass, you see? Alright. Tell me something point in your face.
Do not
Tell me
point
something
on my
point in your
face.
face when I talk to you. Anyway, no time. Yo, listen to me.
You can't lick me.
No, I'm not gonna lick you until you deserve it. When I deserve it, you're gonna see it. Not your police take it lick back when I lick you. Alright.
They will beat you.
No, we're not afraid. May I tell you? And me go change the rule back. Every pitney go get licked if they misbehave. Or you think so me so polite and something. If you make mistake I get beaten when I was
They're
young.
not.
So I tell you. One thing you face like your mother do I know, but anyway. I not say a word to you. Hungry now?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna get you something for you. What do you want to eat?
Casey.
Alright, well, I go down a yard. Me go make your stepmother go down KFC and you buy 10 buckets of chicken if you want. Alright? Because she rich, you know. That's what I'm telling you. You see your stepmother? Rich. So if you ever sell things in a foreign, you want to go foreign? What you want? You want money? Your stepmother will give you. You get the best step. You could never ask your next best stepmother. We're going to see. You're going to love your stepmother more than you love your mother.
Don't say that.
No, me not say it, you know. Me hear happen for yourself. Wow. I remember it's all things that man.
Hello? Yes. Result come? Wait a sec. Alright, let me get back to you. Yeah.
Come to you. Belardo. Come to you. Somebody dead? Alright, who the scholar? Who call you while I'm Oh, wait, what doctor say? Doctor say can't no baby, my God. I don't trust them result, the man. You may say different from that though. Remember say me have a youth already, you know. So I like a fear that the same way. We go call her mother and she come up and spend some time with me and make her feel better. You know what I mean? But if you can't have none, we can't adapt. Right?
No, I'm not to try. Did want to have my own baby.
But anyway, if you can't have it, I will try to get a segregate. So you can be there and see when we put the baby in our belly and you watch it while it grow when it grow for you. Alright? No, don't worry about that, Mr. Man. Don't worry about that, Mr. Alright? All I rest from tired now, I don't know. Alright, now some things gonna look on the road, right? So we are today.
I'm not doing nothing today. I just relax.
Alright, I know say the one the baby come up here, but my baby mother said no. You understand? I don't know what you're not or whatever, she doesn't want the baby come up here. You understand?
I don't know if you have.
Well, woman, I don't know what woman have some time. It's strange. But
I
anyway.
don't know why she's playing hard. But me go call her.
Alright.
And talk to her.
Now some things got deal with. That one?
So do you want to sit up on phone?
Yeah.
You want to know?
Alright, so love you.
Love you too. Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Who is this?
This is Glenn, my wife, speaking to you.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you, darling?
Alright, in the middle of the year with the little girl I play.
I did ask you if you could allow your daughter to come over because they're with you a little while.
No.
No?
Yeah, sorry about that, but we can't allow that.
Why not?
And to be honest, it's nothing personal, but me no normally would want my daughter grow around no stepmother like that. No offense.
Okay, guess what? Can you come over and let's talk face to face? Woman to woman? Please, I'm begging you. We are two adults. So nothing is wrong if you come over and we have a face-to-face talk. Okay? So can you come in the next half an hour? Is that okay with you?
I'm not sure about half an hour time, but maybe about 40 to 45 minutes,
Okay.
depending on the traffic.
That would be great. I would love that. So, come over.
Where's your husband?
He's not here right now.
Alright, so I'll be there shortly.
Okay, no problem. I'll be waiting.
Alright.
Have a wonderful day now.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
I don't know why she's playing hardened. Like, what the hell? If I could have a child, I would want a child over here. But I love that little girl. Hi, good evening.
It's me.
Oh,
Hello.
hello, good evening.
Good evening. So, like how in here if you could, we can come and sit down.
No, we're gonna speak out here.
Alright, so what was so urgent that you need to see me in person?
Because, look at the fellow say we want to that because stay with you a little while. Please.
Alright, so I already tell you on the phone. I don't like the idea of that. I never raised with a stepmother, so I don't think my child should be around with a stepmother.
But I'm your baby father wife.
And?
Nothing wrong if she come up here for a little time. You feel something go do something to your daughter?
I never said that.
But
so how you come up with that?
that's how
Never
you
said
make me
that.
feel. That's how you making me feel.
Alright, so you want the little girl come up here?
Yeah.
Why fire can call me? Why fire can call me instead of you have to call me?
Because I want the child running. He want to be running too, but you're not giving the child. Why is that? I feel pick me too, you know, and I feel one pick me. Fear is fear.
By the way, let me ask you a question. It's a bit personal, but I don't want you to feel offended when I ask you this.
Okay.
But why you not just get pregnant if you love my daughter? I know you have to love your own. Why you not just breed and done?
I lost a child. And it's very complicated if you have an next child. So that's why I ask her to make your daughter come home if you have a good time. Just cheer me up little. Let me just have a feeling of a mother. You understand? I don't know why all the downtown girls have a whole heap of kids and they look at something there. But me live uptown and can't get a child. Why is that? Huh?
Oh my. Am I supposed to feel sorry for you? So let me ask you something. You don't have no niece, no nephew, no little cousin where you can call upon. Why am my child in need?
Because none of them don't live in Jamaica. All of my family is overseas.
Well, Mama, I can't help you. At least not right now. I'm not sending you to my cousin. So that's all you wanted?
Just that well with my husband.
Alright, so I have to run now because I was in the middle of something when you called. So I'm really sorry about that.
But the baby is okay though.
She good. She alright. I can't send her no picture and video.
I don't want any picture of her. You can send it to us.
Have a nice day.
No, thank you. Fire ass.
Hello.
Where are you?
Boy, I'm up on the road there.
You know your baby mother come over here today? And
I lie.
She was so disrespectful. She even called me Barin.
Call her what? Beryl?
Yes.
The storm?
Yeah. This is serious. What you talk about storm?
What you call her?
Burial. And she was so disrespectful. She made me feel so bad. You hear me? Fire.
You hear me? I hear you. I listen.
So why you not answer me?
No, I'm listen. Listen what you say.
You need to take your daughter from her because I say you want your daughter to grow up to come on and disrespect people? Huh?
Mama, I'm going to her. Mama should send me to come spend some time, man.
She even said me can't get pregnant. You know them there's something that make me feel. That's all you have to say.
Yeah, listen to me. I'm going to send me up on the road. I'm going to drive too.
You need to come home.
I'm not supposed to drive and talk, you know.
Well, come home and let us talk then. Because this is very serious.
But you know, you are nothing go.
She almost licked me before she leave.
But she wear shoes and what she try to do with?
Her hand. She raised her hand off of me.
Oh. Alright, you shouldn't have her coming over here in the first place. You should talk to her on the phone.
I talked with her on the phone. She never accept what I asked her about. So I just tell her to come over and feel so that would be more easier. I don't know why these ghetto girls stay like this.
Alright, thanks for forward.
Okay, later.
What is your blow like that? You move to the sound.
I don't know, I call people and to fix it.
Alright, so what is going on now? Cheer up yourself, man. You know what I mean? Remember, you know. Doctor say you can't have pitney. That don't mean say you can't have pitney. It's some miracle we go on, man. Just pray. Right? Anyway, we go check my baby mother, my daughter. And she put up no resistance between go carry her court.
That's the best thing to do.
Yeah, and because we think we don't want better position for raise her. You know what I mean? Like you can't get no pitney. You could have.
You just rubbing on my face.
I'm not rubbing in your face, man. But I said, like, you can't get pregnant. No, maybe you could have go and raise her. You know what I mean? That means say that I have more time. Because I know for me, baby mother, every party, she want to go to 6:30 and she want, you know what I mean? She left the over a neighbor yard and if I can extend that to the court, you know what I mean? I think so they give me custody to her, to the baby. But I know say, hard. But we're going to try though. Alright? Okay. So I'm going to page her and come back. When I come back in the evening, you tell her to come out of it. Alright?
Okay. But you just come and help me back.
No, but since you said that worry you, we go down there go get. Alright. So she can't get the next few one there, so you have the time you have somebody to deal to talk to, right?
Okay.
Alright.
No hope.
You want home? You feel soft? Alright? You want to try again? You want to try now?
No. I'm too stressed to try right
Maybe next time you have to turn over, like go up on the head over or so. And maybe you have to sleep on your head for that 2 days. No, maybe that will work. But anyway, we'll try that too.
I must drink it, man.
No, for real. But if you try one way, it's not working, you try and try again. And you will succeed at last. But anyway, let's move forward.
Okay. Now, get back something nice to me when I come.
Yeah, I'm going to keep out the baby for you. If I can. But if not, I'll just buy you something, alright?
Okay.
What do you want?
No, I'm bucket of chicken.
Rasta bun for you upon a bucket of chicken. You want a nutty body?
I don't want that. It's okay. Just bring back something nice.
You wanna know. Reason I call us still, right? I have a word for you. My baby mother. The thing said to me about a new woman I had now, she would have want a daughter to you because she can't fit it. You understand? So she don't want my daughter to be, but baby mother not reasoning, not see reasoning. She live in a ghetto. You know what I mean? And not saying ghetto is bad, because I grew up in a ghetto, but I want to give my daughter a better life. You understand? But she don't really understand the much. So I want you to know you're going to kidnap my daughter. Bring her come and say, because nobody, my daughter don't know where so. This is one place where I'm ready. Someone there. You know what I mean? For people. Buy, long time buy. But if I remember the mother, she might not see me buy it. You understand? Yeah. So we rent to different people, no one there. But we just take it back for a minute and now, because I want you kidnap my daughter. Have her here, so? Yeah. Anything she want, like food, and buy her food and stuff. But every time she asks you what she do, we're going to tell her, say, her mother employ you, because she tired of her. So if you go to court now, she goes say she don't want to go back to her mother. You understand? Because she go have a in her mind say her mother tell her to kidnap her. So at the end now you go make she kind of get away. And then she go hate her mother. But she doesn't have a feelings to her mother. Set her up and she get kidnapped and things, so she go hate her mother. But me go tell her when to let her go. You understand? So me go carry her to the place. We pass she there. And I get up and then you match up the foundation because I don't want to see me in that area when you are. I go tell more interest I go town and call them and interested in them that town. So while them there town now, they just kidnap her. You understand? Yeah, man, so that's that. And then you get the money when you charge, good, no worries. So everything in that room. We get to train her something that we train upon her foot because she's very frisky, she's fast. The girl is going to be a runner. So even them things they want to put in her future for her, she got a camp for run for now. So take up her foot, one foot, no, and make she spray in her foot or nothing. You understand? And anything you want, she want to eat, give it to her. Money there too. She will get money to buy what she wants. Shy. So 1 week, alright? Then we go let her go. And make she go home and then she go see her mother and her mother go, you know? Go realize them go come back in the kitchen and say what I go and she go and go stay with you. You understand? That I oops that's where we're coming up. Alright? Alright.
Watch me.
Mommy.
Nah, you know, just need something.
Where are you from, Mommy? Where are you from, Mommy? I'm not eating that from Mommy. What do you mean, money?
Anyways, I don't really have no money, you know. The money when your father give me it done. You understand? Me start by back to school something and something, so I don't really have no money. I have $500. Hush baby, hush. Jesus, hush.
Did you cut me eye?
Oh, Shana, yeah, I. It's $500 a year. Go and shop, go buy something you want.
Okay.
And hurry up, come back.
Alright.
Here?
Yeah, what is it, boss?
Walk on the bank and just go right at the lane.
No.
A matter of fact, not go the lane. Go right at the first shop right there so and come back. Hurry up.
Alright, that's alright.
Right there so hurry up.
What about the bar there?
Go on.
We should go down there because the shop don't go so.
Go and shop right there so. Right next door yeah, so now bother go around at the one around there so hurry up.
Okay.
You tell me say you don't know your Uncle Paul?
I don't have no brother.
I'm not from your mother's side, I'm from your father's side. And me come down from England, what did your father not tell you?
Oh, sir, go and talk to your age. Oh, I'm mad as I'm not supposed to talk to strangers. Strangers.
I don't know stranger. I'm no stranger. You just pass and you know you're my
Hey, okay.
So, I should have come back by now. Last time I forgot there. So I'm there, I'm still lying now. He's every shit. Whenever there's something I should go buy. This not look right. Fire. I can't find Naya. I send her go shop, right? Still, alright, me and her lie down and watch the movie. She said to me, say she hungry. Me tell her something, I really have no money. Me give her $500 to go shop. Me did it, they watch back the movie and me look 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and now you can't come back. Up on the road, me there, I'm gonna look for her. Me no see her in the area, me no see her at the shop. I see one bag on the ground. When me take up the bag, I want juice and I want snap the see in her bag and the change. I don't know what to do. Come link me, please. Alright.
Listen, choppy nice. If you're not choppy nice, you'll answer back your mother. So be a good little girl. Answer to her. Your mother don't want to see you. So. This is choppy nice.
Which one is it?
Ready, I hear so. Listen to me now. You have a day off for a while, understand? I'm not hurt you, but you have a day off for a while. I want food, I buy anything you want, you just tell me, right? We get anything you want, but you have a day off for a while. So just cooperate with me, and we good.
From my mother.
What's your name?
Naya?
Naya, I don't know time for no questioning. Which part your mother day? It's not really important, right? So just keep yourself quiet, sleep, peace, do anything. Don't question me. Naya. Hungry? Yeah. So you're not hungry? Because you're not hungry, you eat this, yeah? Understand? Because I'm going to go up on the road for the rest of the night. So I'm going to lay down and fall asleep. You will do the same because tomorrow is the next day. Alright? Here you go.
What go on now?
There, what?
Where baby there?
I call her today and tell her say I don't know where baby them. I send her go shop. And I'm there to wait 10 to 15 minutes and the baby don't come back from shop.
So why you never go shop with her? You're so blasted lazy. Why you picking there? That man a prank me. I must joke you around.
Me nah prank you. Me nah prank you. Fire this boy I can't even know. Right now me
You know how long me I tell you if you give me the pity. For me woman good and die yard take care of me and no one because she not go know but because she won't send her shopping now. She don't go shop herself. Why you never go shop herself? I lie you tell man.
So Fire, what you need to do and what you should do is give me enough money to go to supermarket. So more do I have to send her go shop. Fire, I'm not even in a
Why you sit down a yard and not go look work? Other with someone who tough woman who no figure look work. You know buy go to school in your mouth.
Fire, I know it's not about me right now, it's about the child, Fire.
The child must have for you there.
How would that?
Ollie.
Push the door.
Oh.
Officer, from morning I call you now, and you just a come in a night.
Now listen to me now. No. Me don't know if you hear what go on in the town, you know. In the town was hot. See a shoot out. And today is my day off. I take the time out to come here tonight. Because me didn't want to come in the day still, you know. Whether I'm a day off or not. But if it's the shoot out I want, me I try to save my little life. I left it to the bigger heads. My job is to take information from missing child. So what happened now?
You see when the police say to me, so they never had nobody else to send for a morning. Anyways, alright, me in here today, right? Me and the little girl in here and she said she hungry. Me send her go shop with $500 right at the shop in the lane there, so she go. And me there here 10 to 15 minutes and me not see the little girl a come. See there from about 12 o'clock today and it's 7:35 now. I don't know what my daughter did.
So, let me ask you a question then. Alright, you say from that time to that time. I know it's 7:30, yes sir? How old is your child?
She 8-year-old.
8. An 8-year-old is out by herself for the road, right? That's what I'm telling you, you know, mother nowadays. That's what my own son wants to go around and my thing.
I just read you say shop there now.
How could I write what I do? You have to use the knowledge. Nowadays time went good, but now bad.
So what we not gonna do for take action? Like what action not gonna take to help me find my daughter?
Well, we just take a note when we go to work tomorrow. We circulate the note and we check if no camera in the ear, or we can check see where she went or who to call, or maybe you sure no one relative gone with her, or you do her something and then you try to blame with the scenario. We have to do all of them checking there. But anyway, come on for that case right now. So you live alone?
I may not leave.
You and I live. Oh Lord.
28.
28. Careless mother. But anyway. Single?
Yes, officer, I'm single. What all of them make us send me for?
Police have rights to ask any question right now. And me have to look in it. But anyway, the reason why I ask you to see this is that you will like here. So, don't worry about the child for now, because you can get the next one. I can give you the next one, right? You know? So,
Officer, you come here for investigate or you come here for look woman?
so who say officer can't look woman on duty?
No, that not right. That
Huh?
not right. I be telling listen one woman police.
Whether man or woman are all the same thing. Alright. Have she eaten in the morning before you send her out in the afternoon?
She did eat in the morning, but in the afternoon she said she hungry. So me give her the money for go buy
How
some.
much money?
$500.
500.
Me find one bag upon the road. One blue bag where she get from shop with one juice and one snack in there.
Oh, you know if I feel that's the point.
Officer, I don't know, but me see the juice and the snack and the change in the bag, so I don't know, me just...
So why you never turn it in to the police so the police could have some fingerprint to show if your daughter did that? You see, this is the thing I'm telling you with your mother. Sometimes someone on a child traffic on one child and I collect money off of them.
Yeah, the police says...
I have a lot of cases like that, you know. I still out on a picnic to white man.
Officer, what else you want from me?
Huh?
What else you want from
Your
me?
number.
You want my number for going to the book, for call me if you find my daughter?
Anyway, you take it. You still need your number.
Alright, so my number is 876 285 4426. So 285 4426.
I didn't get your name right early, you know.
Tia.
Chia. That's your full name?
Tia Green. Officer,
It's sorry, you know, mom.
you need to find my daughter.
Crying
Right now she's supposed to worried.
Crying now, help you right now. Alright. My lodge. Right on everything from you so far. So, when they go to station tomorrow, we look into it, we check the CVT, see if anybody suspicious on the area. But next time,
I wonder what she could have done.
no wonder.
Me call her father no see her. I don't know what else, who else we ask. I don't know.
Ask God. Just pray. Anyway, I'll be on my way if you want. Oh, let me write my number. So, is there any little thing you need in the meantime? If you want a little warm up, little comfort.
Officer, I beg you come out of my house. What me need comfort for do? And warm up. See me have sheet here.
In times like this, you probably need it. Because you're ball, you need somebody to wash you.
No worry yourself, I'll call you if me know any, if me hear about anything like. Cause you not do your job.
Sexy girl.
Thanks.
Alright, take care.
Para 6,000 amounts. Men's on uploads for the zero up for the 6,000 amounts.
Sir, I'm hungry.
That's your answer, so.
Please and thank you.
Oh, may I go up and go get something to eat? Because I have got here something to eat.
Okay.
Yeah? What we all eat?
Porridge.
Alright, man, get the pie tree, but listen. If you're gone, don't come off my bed. Don't try to pull the chain. I know, I promise you I'm not gonna hurt you. So just do as me say, be a nice girl, me soon get back to your mother soon, right?
Okay.
I work.
Work with who?
Well, I work for your mother, and she said me if you do this because she want a little break from you, right? She's stressed. You get too much problems, so she just want a little break. So for now, you stay here, so when she ready back for you, me can go back to her.
Then you can't let go.
My mother tell me if you do this, she want a little break.
Then I can't let me go.
If me let her go home, I get paid. Come here.
But, sir,
Eh?
suppose me want to use the bathroom.
You hold it till me come back. Just don't peep on the bed. Yeah? Alright, I soon come back.
Just until me come back.
Apology.
Where's
Yeah.
my spoon?
That's one. Let me get one spoon.
Thank you. Sir,
Hmm?
you want to watch a TV? Please.
Oh, what's cooking on?
Me don't watch cooking.
So you watch? Paw Patrol or Barbie? How that you watch?
Yeah, that alone can JAMMIWOOD.
50,000 per one. Wake up, baby. Go to the road, that's me. I tell them.
Come on, give me already. Give some right now. Come on, she good man, no worry. She alright. Oh, you want to see her? Alright, so I'm going to take a video and send it. Right now. Alright. Okay. video for your mother. Your mother say you want to see it. She said, alright. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to mommy. What's up, my video?
Hi, mommy.
Let me see what it's a video.
No, I want beer. Oh, and tell mommy say I want some clothes for beard and change.
Alright, yo. You go beard till you come back. Understand? Yeah, beard. You go for your clothes. Remember? I'm trying to come out. You can't smoke. Don't make no noise. Understand? People that are like this. Beard till you come back. You come out your clothes. Understood? Understood? Alright, so come back. Listen.
Ensure you have money in your pocket.
Why it take so long? I don't want the people, they don't want any water. Eh? Girl, I don't have any water up and come out of the bathroom, man.
Okay, so finish. We're finished now. I'm finished. Thank you.
Take some of that back, put on.
Sir,
Yeah?
but I not my clothes them here.
How your mother give me say I have to just work with it. I don't know if I hear clothes or not. When I get, I take and I care for me. Say I have to just work with them for now.
Mother could I never give you clothes to give me and I know mine.
New clothes, so at least I wear something new.
New clothes and
Yes, come.
they look like they're wearing.
Don't pull out too much. Come.
Do not set me up again. Do not set me up again. Let me go. Let me go. Let me.
Listen. Your mom tells you to ask your mother again.
Go.
Alright. Move on. Watch your hand. Yeah, alright, you're getting that phone. If you listen to everything, you just go up and now you're going to be quiet. You cooperate with me, you cooperate with you. Understood? Alright. Bathroom. This is not being a good girl. One day bed man go sleep or something. One day girl. Girl. Mother send this here. A bunch of man come back. Mother send that place now. Your dress room, look funny. See, look good. Yeah.
Mommy?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, baby. Where you there?
No, just there one hotel. I want man just kidding me.
And days now, me a search for you, my baby. Which man kidnap you?
I don't know. I mean, time you.
Tell me how you look.
I'm short, I'm have black hair. I mean,
You don't know no idea where you there.
no. Just one hotel.
Me a go find you.
Mommy, who you about you said man come kidnap me?
Me, my baby. Who tell her that?
A man will kidnap me.
Me not said no man and no me.
Try to free myself.
Sorry, baby. Where you there?
Mommy, me don't know which part me there, me don't trust you.
Oh, you don't trust me, my baby. Me love you now, you know me do it.
Then if I don't do it, who?
Me don't know that me I try to find out
I
who.
don't believe you.
Oh, you finna believe me now, yeah?
Right now, you can't believe you.
Now I'm gonna find you. Believe me, me gonna find you.
Right now, I have myself clean up. I'm gonna spot in the key. I'm gonna try to free myself about 2 times already and didn't catch me. I'm in this fight, I didn't throw me up on the bed.
Now I'm sorry if I go through this, baby. Me sorry. Look around the place and tell me if you know if I can identify which part you're there. Go a door and look around everywhere. You can go a door.
No more, me chain up.
So you can't go on the right at the door there, so.
No, mommy, but me can't try.
Try for me, please.
Okay.
Tell me what you see outside.
So, I place where we always go for the property where we always go at the hotel.
Alright. Tell me where guy inna, the man. Where inna?
So,
What color shirt?
Black shirt, one ganja hat, and I want pants with some paint upon it.
So which one you walk from out the road? Which are the first room, the second room, or the third room?
I don't know, but I see one brown mat upon the veranda and 2 chairs with one table and box outside.
Alright, baby, me have to go find you. And I want me have to build back your trust again. Because I can't believe you say you don't trust me.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I see one sign there right there, so
What kind of sign?
it's a gift shop.
Gift shop?
Yeah.
Alright. Hurry up, come off my phone before I go and catch you.
Okay, mommy.
So, he might ill treat you or nothing?
He was, and mommy, in my car.
are doing
Nothing?
for me? Yeah, no, that's it.
Huh? No.
Go on, cover this.
No. Man, no.
Baby, you hear me? You know my voice. Alright, now. Shh. Let me keep most of the day here. Here. Shh. Don't worry yourself. Everything will go alright. Here.
Good.
Housekeeping. 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 What's the going on?
Nothing.
Why does it take so long?
Kaya ako.
Let him go. You. What is? How you getting Pitney? You need to tell me everything now because guess what? I police me gonna call right now. Me gonna make them lock you up for attempted murder, kidnap of a minor, and many more. So you need to tell me who put you up to this right now.
Let me tell you, you let me go.
Tell me, cause I police me a call.
Alright, yeah, your baby father.
Me what?
Baby father, you want to say, you want to say you're careless.
Hurry up, talk, hurry up,
He
talk.
said if you kidnap her and keep her here for 1 week and blame, tell the daughter say you plan up everything so you can get.
You see now, I'm going to tell you, say I never me. So this, my baby father really do. Eh? Alright.
Can I let me go?
Now, me feel let him go.
Yes, and she will go and invite my food. But sometimes when I fight you.
Y'all fight me little baby.
No, me fight him.
Alright, you see because you're nice to me daughter, me gonna let you go. Can't believe Sophia really do this. Hurry up now, we don't have much time. Boy, my daughter, nah, God no. Me glad to see me find you, you know.
But mommy, why daddy would I kidnap me though? Signing this money.
Why? Baby, me don't know. Me I try to figure out everything and it come like it not add up. Me don't know what. Some me answer something. Why boy do to you? When do to you when he kidnap you?
Well, me did a go shop. Just a me go shop. So like, me did a walk, come at my yard, and then me see him, and then he said, little girl, we were there paying no mind, so he said, little girl again, and me tell her. Then he said, I want name what you did call. He said, you are in your brother.
My brother.
Him and my uncle. But me say, mommy not have no brother. And then he said, from my father's side, and he said, daddy don't have no brother. And then I say, sir, I want to talk to your own age. He start calling. So I walk off, and then I want to feel him put something over me and lift me up and carry me somewhere. What can I do?
Oh boy, no. Me just glad say you have sense, you're taking phone and call me. I just that me glad about. You understand? And me no want you hear because I know me do not.
Somebody get me.
Who is that?
Police, Sergeant out here. We check the last open.
Good night, officer.
Good night. Me again.
Officer, you know what? Stick up here. I really don't understand how to do a job like this, right? And the second time now, the other day my daughter missing. I'm a call and I'm gonna take 5 or how much hour? 7 hours to be exact before you come here. Now today again, me call from me come home from me find her, me call. Me bathe, me sleep, me eat. And you just a come, how much a cock again? And I tell one in the work.
Let me tell you this. You can't tell police how you work. We work off a full mind. It's like when you get up a morning time to go up on people's job and you feel tired and you lay down 10 minutes more. That's how we feel too. We are trying to protect ourselves, not Uno. We're not responsible to Uno. We're only in the force to get the money. So you can't hurry me to come and check for you when you don't want I. Pardon my language, young miss. The young man that you hold, you know he's planning to testify against the person that. So you tell me that he is single.
Yes, officer.
And is her own father doing all of that.
Yes, officer.
So what you trying to tell me now?
Maybe show you a picture of him, you know. I'm going to show you a picture of him. Hold on. I'm trying to find a picture. I don't even have a picture of this man. I only have video. See here. This is my baby father.
Let me tell you this. We don't tap on top till we're in that prison. No matter what. I'm glad you didn't handcuff that boy. So you're not afraid. That's what I'm trying to let you know your life. You need a man. You need a man with God to protect you. Ask your daughter if you don't need a stepfather. Ask her.
Anyway, so
Mm-hmm.
me need you to lock him up. My baby father me talk.
You don't have to tell me
Lock
that.
him up.
I'm not idiot. He's gonna definitely go in. Definitely.
And the next guy where they work with him,
Why? I don't even know if it's about him, but if I can lock up with two of them, I lock up with two of them. I don't know why I let him go in the first place, you know. But I'm glad how he come and testify, talk, and who do it. But anyways.
Talk to me now.
What you want?
I give you my number and I would have called me differently.
Officer, me only need to call you about what's going on, the matter at hand. That's what me need to talk to you about. When the case finish, if you feel like call you, me will call you. But we are talking about business right now. Anyways, see the little girl here? I don't know if you have any questions to ask her pertaining to the kidnap.
Alright, yes, I have a question. Let me find the answers. Question. Little child, the guy that kidnapped you, right? Where exactly did he bring you?
At a hotel.
At a hotel. You know the name of the hotel?
No.
You know the color of the hotel?
But me not remember other color them.
Oh, me remember the name of the hotel, officer.
What's the name of the hotel?
Beach Club.
Beach Club. Okay. Alright. So, Beach Club. Did one you was at the hotel different from him? Nobody. It was him alone. What, while you were there, what and what he said and what he were doing?
Well, then I'm fight because I'm trying to lock my foot and then him throw me on the bed and then he handcuffed my foot then. I couldn't go nowhere.
Handcuff your foot, so it's a big hard thing.
And then I find the key, I unlock my foot, and then I try to go in the but he locked me up here.
Officer, them something here serious. Me need you to lock up them. One little 8-year-old, you the handcuff and chain up like she an animal. Tell me now if that right.
Hold on. Excuse me, talk to your mother. I'll let you know. Hold on, please. You know, it's very right, you know. And you forget lock up the matter, you know. Don't forget blame too. You said you hate your own daughter, come, power road, can't buy anything. The man could have killed her. Or they could have raped her. So you see me now, him father figure down. And the boy when he testify against him, he might get locked up too. Me only promise him say now get locked up, but he might get locked up. Because I want him serious, so me can be the next man in your life and get a son.
Officer, you come back with the same thing again. We are talking about Jesus, I don't know what to
Let
say.
me ask you a question. I wish man now really want a single man.
No man a problem or crisis, I don't want to know. Thanks to come to take the information and please lock up the boy to chain up me pitney like she an animal. And me understand say me wrong to send me 8-year-old daughter go shop by herself. Me I take full blame and responsibility for that. And it not gonna happen again. You understand?
Okay.
But me feel tired and stressed out so me go to my bed. So me will call you, I have your number. So you can go and know.
Alright, no problem. Young miss, next time be safe. If your mother send you on the road to buy ice cream, tell her to go out damn self.
Officer, good night. You don't have nothing about you.
Well, I lost some years, you see, cause this a reporter done.
What go on now, officer?
Come to give you some bad news.
Me know some innocent, you know. Me don't have nothing to do with that kidnapping. Look at my hands, my hands is clean.
No, listen, you might feel like you're innocent, you know. But your little colleague who you send, go deal with the crime. I'll chat for you, you know. So it's when you want him face the courthouse, prison now, listen.
Anyway, we not too much talking. Me lie, we talk to you still, you know. We don't call me lie. Me be out by a certain time. Know yourself, man.
The liar have to be the biggest liar ever met. Come me, I'll make sure you turn it.
We say, I'm money talk, you know.
Alright.
Money talk.
Go and enjoy the heat.
Oh man, you say I'm normal, man. We're born in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man. And you always lock up in a Jamaica, never move. Prison for life. Go and relax. Yeah? Think we're gonna find you.
I'll call me baby mother. You make a next call there.
One phone call.
And if you call me baby mother, you know.
Not until tomorrow again.
Yo, you want to know, a piece of money you can get one at a time. So when somebody link me to get a food, you keep your mouth quiet and just let me out 1 and 2 times. Yeah? And we talk about that. Tomorrow, man, we don't have time to talk, you know. When the money comes, we talk.
Piece of money. Oh boy.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. But it's another day, another Sunday. Big up everybody in the world. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Now, it's the future of JAMMIWOOD. The behind the camera video this, you know. Yeah, man. Leah. That himself. Leonica, that himself. Round there with the camera. So you know, so she's the future. Yeah, man. So, anyway. Me ask thanks to all of the people that have been supporting JAMMIWOOD
And my
from
real
that time.
name.
Wait! Do not talk when I'm talking, girl. You get your time to talk. Or you go talk behind the camera and me talk. And me talk. Alright? Yeah. So me I say now, big up to all the sponsors from that time to this time. Empress G, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Damien, big up yourself. Plenty more name we not going to disclose, but whole heap of people who have contributed to the whole movements of the whole thing. You know what I mean?